Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? If you want to learn how to get the best looking skin, you must watch this video. I'm going to share with you different tips and technique using the mask to get the best result. So let's get started today's video. If this is the first time you watch my video, hi everyone, I am Steve Jen. My YouTube channel, 90% of content are focused on beauty and skincare and 10% is travel and luxury. I have over 27 years experience in cosmetic in the USA. I work in the department store as a beauty consultant, business manager, regional trainer, country trainer, brand ambassador. I host many master classes to help people to get a beautiful looking skins, and I was on QVC for a few times. So if you like what you hear so far, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel right here. I do video every single day. Okay, so let's get started this video. Okay, so we want to focus on face mask, and there's a couple different steps that we want to do, but the number one thing I always talk about this, you have to wash your hand. And let me show you my favorite soap to wash the hand. Oh my god, Disney! Oh, by the way, if you guys like Disney content, I have a brand new YouTube channel called One Step Adventure. Last night I was at the Disneyland for After Dark event Villains Night with Rich Lux. If you want to see what's happening there, check out that video. It will be dropping very soon. Okay, so this is so I'm gonna wash my hand. Wash your hand. Ta-da! I don't know if you can see it. Mickey Mouse ear. Just wanna wash my hand. If you don't wash the hands, everything you use will be really to wash your hand, not wash your face. And before you do any mask, you really want to kind of cleanse your face. I'm gonna cleanse my face with SK2 facial treatment oil. I love oil sometimes because oil is so good, so easy. You just kind of put it on the dry skin like this, massage for a little bit. I didn't even shave yet, oh my gosh. Okay, so after you do that, the little tip is put a little water over the face. You see, just turn white. So you turn white. So you kind of activate the oil and give you more deeper cleansing. So you're not, so you keep your face clean. Okay, I'm gonna rinse this off now. Oh, feels so much more clean already. Okay, so I'm not gonna dry my face because I wanna move on to the next step right now. I always like to say, when you're using skincare, you wanna figure out what is you want to achieve today. So I want to make sure that my skin feel refreshing, remove a lot of dead skin layer. Oh, I didn't clean this. So I want to polish my skin first. So my latest obsession is by Dr. Brand. This is their dermabrasion exfoliator. This is really cool. Let me show you guys. It comes out very fine cream like this. And then you just gently massage on the skin. And I love the scent. It's very has a lot of herb in there, so it smells very refreshing. So I want to just gently massage. And I would say that don't use any cleansing device when you exfoliate your skin because that will be too harsh. And when you massage the face, look at my finger, watch this. You just place the finger on the skin, just gently circulation. Don't push too hard because you don't want to do over exfoliate your skin and strip out too much. We just want to do a light like this way. And the area that you have a problem to break out the oil, you want to focus a little bit more. Like this. Okay, I'm going to rinse this off now. Now I'm going to pat my face dry because what's happening is that I use the oil to remove, kind of cleanse my face a little bit. Then I use the Dr. Brand dermabrasion to exfoliate the surface of the skin. But now I want to make sure all the stuff underneath the pore can be pulled out. So I'm using the Ace Allergy, and this is a detoxified face mask. So I'm going to just put this on my face. But before we do that, you want to use eye care, and so I'm using the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for face, but you can use around eye too. So I'm going to use this around my eye a little bit to create a little barrier. So why are we doing this? Because if you create a barrier and then when you use any type of clay mask or peeling mask or any mask that will dry out, you're not pulling your eye skin around the eye area. So this, I'm gonna do this now. Oh my god, this is scary. So I'm gonna just put this thin layer on my face. You don't need this everywhere, only on the area that you have a problem. So I get some breakout on the forehead right here. Some problem right here. So I'm gonna just do a little bit like that. So once again, it's not necessary to put an entire face, you know, only on the area you need. But since I'm doing YouTube video, I'm gonna just put it around the entire face to show you guys. And there's no reason to use brush for this, just use your finger, it's fine. Oh, look kinda scary. Oh my god. Just like that. Okay, so we're gonna come back in 10 minutes and rinse it off and follow the next step. See, so easy. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. You can see this is drying. Oh wait, does this peel off? I think this peel off. Oh, I was wrong, you can peel this off. Haven't done this for a long time. Let me do this too. Oh, it's so satisfying to hear the sound. Get close it. Whoa. Did you know that using the washcloth is also a way to exfoliate your face? So if you can't afford buying any exfoliate treatment, face cloth can do just fine. Now we are going to put all the hydration back into the skin. So I found this mask in Hawaii when I was recently there. Oh, also if you want to see all my Hawaii content, it's also going to be on One Step Adventures. So this is it. It's a coconut hydrating refresh mask. It's just your traditional sheet mask. Oh, I can smell coconut. Oh, it feels so cooling. Oh wait, I got into my eye. Be careful when you use the face mask like this, because sometimes the liquid gets into the eyes very uncomfortable. Okay, so we're gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. I always get people ask me, you know, how long do I really need to leave the face mask on my face? Well, you want the truth? Honestly, all you need is about 3 to 4 minutes because your skin can only absorb so much. You can leave on for 10 to 20 minutes as long as they're drying out, but it doesn't do anything anymore because, like I said earlier, your skin can only absorb so much of an ingredient. So 3 to 4, 5 minutes should be fine. The only problem is that mentally you're gonna feel like, oh, I'm wasting money, this is expensive, I should leave on longer. But in reality, you don't. Okay, we're gonna leave on for a few minutes, we're gonna come back. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes, so we're gonna remove this now. I want to show you the best way to remove the face mask for social media, okay? Don't peel off this way, pull on the side, and as you pull the mask, you want to turn your face opposite way. So, watch. Okay, so it's still wet here, right? You can put on your neck, your hand, any way you want to do a little extra, or put on your feet too, so make your toes very fresh looking. That's my tips. Okay, and now next question. People always ask me, do I need to rinse off this, or can I just put on the skincare? That decision is yours. You can rinse it off, or you can keep it on followed by skincare. If you plan to wear makeup after this, I would say rinse it off, because if you don't, there's too many layers of the treatment on the face, then your makeup will not sit on top of the skin. The makeup gonna be rolling off. So I'm gonna rinse it off. I like to hear from you guys that when you watch my video for skincare, do you feel like you're learning a lot of different skincare tips? Please let me know. I'd love to hear that. Okay, just like that. Ah, so fresh. Now the last thing I'm going to do right now, just a moisturizer, and I'm going to use my new moisturizer from Jeffree Star. It's a really pretty package. Here it is, watch this. It has a lock mechanism in there. See, I've been using this, you can see it. So I'm going to put this on my face here. Like I said before, if you don't have any concern for the eye area, your face moisturizer can be also added as a moisturizer around the eye too. So, okay, I'm done. What do you think? Pretty easy, right? Alright, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the 2 new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.